section 6.4 is entitled Finding and Using Formulae. This is the equivalent to chapter, I think it's, yeah, chapter 10 on the foundation course, where you substitute numbers into formulae. That's all there is to it. So I'm just going to do two questions. Here's question 5. It says Young's, it's a real equation by the way, Young's rule is used to calculate a child's dose of medicine. The formula is C equals AN over N plus 12. Now C is the child's dose, N is the age of the child, A is the adult's dose. Now I've got to use the rule to find the dose for a child aged 3 when the adult's dose is 15 millilitres. So that's quite a spoonful actually. So the age is 3 for the child and the adult dose is 15. So A is the adult dose, so it's going to be 15 multiply the age of the child, which is 3. Then we're going to divide by 3 plus 12, because N here, the age of the child, and the N there is exactly the same, and that's going to be the child's dose of medicine. So we're going to work that out right now, and that's going to be 45, 3 15s, divided by 3 plus 12, 15. So 45 over 15, 45 divided by 15 is 3. So a child should be taking 3 millilitres worth of whatever medicine we're talking about. Let's just do part B. Use the rule to find the dose for a child of age 8 when the adult's dose is 30. So let's just do it again. So child's dose is going to be, let's have a look. Oh yeah, 30 lots for the adults in terms of the amount of medicine, multiplied by age of 8, divided by 8 plus 12. Again, the two ends are the same. So 3 8s are 24, 240, divided by 20. Don't need a machine for that bit. 24 divided by 2. So the child should be taking 12 millilitres of medicine based upon the conditions specified in part B. Question C. Find the adult's dose, in other words the A, when the dose for the child is 6. Sorry, when the dose for the child of age 6 is 25. So I've got here my C value is 25. So 25 child's dose equals A for adult's dose. I don't know what that is yet, so just call it A. Now I'm going to multiply by the child's age, which is 6. So A times 6, then divided by the adult's age, the child's age, which is 6. Then just add 12 onto that. So let's tie it up a little bit. I've got 6 A's, that's that bit, divided by 18, that's 6 plus 12, that comes to 25. Okay, so 18, take it over and multiply, so 6 A's equals 25 times 18, so 6A is going to be, I could have done it in lesser steps but never mind, so 25 times 18, that comes to 450. So the adult's dose is going to be 450 divided by 6. Just do that now. It's quite a dose, isn't it? It's 75 millilitres. That's half a mugful. That's about a third of a mugful. Anyway, I wonder what it is. I don't know. So that's that. That's question 5 done. And question 7, I like it. I'm just going to do it. And question 6 was nice, but there's nothing special. They're not for higher levels. Just do a couple, and then I'll say the video's done. Now, question 7, page 87. An isosceles triangle. Yep, that's the same as that. Has angles as shown, x and y. So without any further ado, I'm going to put a y right there. Because if these two lengths are the same, then these two angles in the corner are also the same. Find a formula for x in terms of y. Well, I know that these three angles are up to 180, so I'm going to make use of that fact right now. So I've got y plus a y plus an x comes 180. So 2 y's plus an x is 180. Find a formula for x in terms of y. In other words, he wants x equals. Therefore, x is going to be 180, and take away the 2 y's like that. Alright? 180, take away the 2 y's. Now I'm going to do B. Find a formula for y in terms of the x. Well, I'm going to use this part again. I know that 2y plus x is 180, and find a formula for y. So I want y equals. First of all, let's just subtract the x. So 2y is going to be 180 take away x, and now I simply divide by 2. Right, that's one way of leaving it, or you can actually say y is going to be 180 divided by 2, 90, take away x divided by 2, that's called half an x. One way of doing it, and that's another way of doing it, taking it further, but that's accurate enough because I've actually answered the question. I've got a formula with y equals, and here I've got an equation with x equals. So that's that, and that's all I need to do. And I'll see you quite soon in the assess.